Higgsfield has been making waves as an AI video generator, but does it really deliver on its promise? Today, we're diving into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Let's find out. Higgsfield is designed to help creators generate videos using AI technology, which sounds great on paper. The platform allows users to input text and it magically transforms it into engaging video content. It's aimed primarily at content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs quick video production without the hassle of traditional editing. One thing that stands out is the user interface, which feels quite intuitive. You can easily upload your scripts, choose visuals, and even customize the look of your videos. However, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, the library of stock footage could be more extensive, and some users might find the customization options a bit limited compared to more established software. It seems like Higgsfield is still in its early stages, and while it has potential, it may not yet meet needs of more experienced video creators. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Higgsfield's AI does a decent job of generating videos quickly, which is a significant time saver for busy creators. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of a robust library for stock footage is a drawback, especially if you're looking for high-quality visuals. Additionally, while the AI does a fair job, it can sometimes miss the mark in terms of creativity and nuance, which might not satisfy more discerning users. Pricing could also be a concern, as there isn't much clarity on different tiers and what features come with each. Overall, while it might suit new creators, seasoned professionals may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Higgsfield has potential for those looking to create videos quickly and easily. If you're a beginner or need something straightforward, it might be worth a try. However, more advanced users may find it lacking in features and creativity. Overall, it feels like a work in progress, so keep an eye on its development.